In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read a laboratory test report using ChatGPT for medical problem solving. Whether you're a medical professional seeking to streamline your processes or someone curious about interpreting medical results, this guide will provide you with a straightforward approach to utilizing ChatGPT. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and directing it to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. You should see a list of results, and the official ChatGPT website should be among the top options. Click on the website link to be taken to the ChatGPT homepage. Once there, you'll notice a familiar user interface which is both user-friendly and intuitive. On the ChatGPT platform, you'll see a plus sign located prominently, usually indicating a way to add new content or features to your session. Click on this plus sign to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with several options, including one that says Add Photos and Files. Click on this option, as we're going to upload the laboratory result we want to analyze. Now it's time to locate your laboratory test report on your device. Navigate through your files and select the relevant lab result. Once you've found it, select the file and click on Open. This action will upload your laboratory results to ChatGPT, making them ready for analysis. With the document uploaded, the next step involves crafting a prompt that will tell ChatGPT exactly what you want it to do. Prompts are crucial as they guide the AI in providing relevant and helpful responses. In our scenario, you might type something like, "Read this laboratory result. Explain what the common sections and numbers mean, how to compare results to the reference range, and what factors can affect the results." Ensuring your prompt is clear and specific can greatly enhance the quality of the response you receive. After typing out the prompt, press Submit. ChatGPT will take a moment to process the information and then provide you with an explanation. It might break down each section of the lab report, giving clarity on what the numbers indicate, how they align with standard reference ranges, and what variables might impact the results. This explanation is designed to boost your understanding, making it easier to infer the intricate details of the lab test results independently. Following through with these steps effectively employs ChatGPT's capabilities to enhance your comprehension of medical reports, providing insights that can be valuable for both personal knowledge and professional settings. With practice, you'll find this tool to be an accessible and powerful companion in medical problem solving. So take your time to explore and ask follow-up questions if necessary, as ChatGPT is always ready to assist in your learning journey.